What is the EEO conciliation process? Have you ever wondered how disputes between employees and employers can be resolved without going to court? The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission has a process called conciliation that plays a key role in this. Let's break it down step by step. When an employee feels they have faced discrimination at work, they can file a charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Once the commission receives the complaint, they conduct an investigation. This involves gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and reviewing relevant documents. If the investigation reveals reasonable cause to believe discrimination occurred, the commission issues a letter of determination. This letter outlines the evidence that supports the claim and kicks off the conciliation process. During conciliation, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission acts as a mediator between the employee and the employer. This is a voluntary process aimed at resolving the dispute without the need for a court trial. Both parties come together to discuss their perspectives and explore potential solutions. The goal is to reach a mutually acceptable agreement. Negotiations can lead to various outcomes. For instance, the employer might agree to a financial settlement, implement policy changes, or take other corrective actions to address the discrimination. If both sides can agree on a resolution, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission will draft a binding agreement to finalize the settlement. However, if the employer does not accept the proposed settlement, the conciliation process may end without resolution. In such cases, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission has two options. They can file a lawsuit on behalf of the employee, especially in situations that may have a broader impact. Alternatively, they can issue a notice of right to sue, which allows the employee to pursue legal action on their own within 90 days. For those considering a career in administration, understanding the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission conciliation process is essential. It highlights important administrative tasks like handling complaints, managing investigations, and ensuring compliance with workplace policies. Administrative professionals may find themselves coordinating communication between parties and managing documentation throughout this process. By being familiar with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission guidelines and the steps involved in conciliation, administrative staff can play a vital role in promoting fair workplace practices and responding effectively to discrimination complaints. This knowledge not only supports a positive work environment but also helps ensure that legal rights are upheld for all employees.